Okay, Assalamualaikum smart student. Welcome back to English class with Miss Lisna. So for today, sorry for there's no meeting for today. There's no Google meeting for today, but I will deliver the material to this video. So make sure that you watch from the beginning until the end. Okay? So before we start the lesson today, let's recite basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And today we will learn about time. Jadi tentang waktu. How to tell time to our friends, to our family, to your roommates ya, to everyone ya. Biasanya kita dengan mudahnya menyebutkan waktu itu dengan sangat simpel. Misalkan nih jam 7, jam setengah 8, we can say 7:30. Jam 7:23, for example, you can simply say 7:23. Or jam 8:40, you can say 8:40. But in this video, we will try to learn how to tell times. Di video ini akan menjelaskan beberapa cara untuk mengucapkan atau memberitahu waktu. Jadi menggunakan half, and then quarter, and then past, and also to. Bagaimana? Jadi disimak baik-baik videonya. If you still have any question, just let me know on the comment box below. And this is the video.
Okay, so this is learning objective of today's material. First, to listen information about time correctly, to orally ask and show time correctly, to tell the time of activities, to understand the daily activities and time, to write personal agenda, and to write paragraph describing daily activities. Nah, jadi ini adalah learning objective untuk bab ini. Namun, untuk hari ini kita akan fokus pada beberapa hal, yaitu this to or past, quarter and half, AM and PM. How to use to or past, how to use quarter and half, and also what is AM and also PM. Okay, so let's get started. What time is it? It is question always we ask to our friend when we want to know what time is it. And this is the clock. The clock is consists of 12, and we also have it also have two hand, that is short hand and also long hand. And this is the long hand. And the center of this clock is 12. Yeah. And when the long hand is pointing to 12, it's mean o'clock. Ya, we can say that. Atau jam 12 pas atau pas gitu ya. Jadi ada dua jarumnya dalam jam itu, ada jarum panjang dan juga ada jarum pendek. Ketika jarum jam panjangnya menuju pada angka 12, it's mean o'clock. Okay, get the point? Good job. Okay, next let's do the practice. Now, what time is it? It is the short hand is pointing 4 and the long hand is pointing 12. So it is 4 o'clock. Very easy, right? Next, what time is it? The short hand is pointing 11. So it's mean 11 o'clock. Good job. It is 7 o'clock. Good job. And we have this. Ya, if the long hand is pointing 6, ya, atau menuju ke angka 6, jarum panjangnya kita bisa sebut half past atau lebih setengah jam atau 30 menit ya. Jadi when a long hand is pointing to 6, it's mean half past atau lewat 30 menit. Okay, let's see the example. Okay, it is half past 9 because the long hand is pointing 6 and then the short hand is pointing between 9 and 10. Next. Nah, jadi jam 9 lebih 30 menit ya, setengah 10. Next, it is a half past 4. Okay, jam 4 lebih 30 menit atau lebih setengah jam. Wow, very easy, right? Okay, next. It is a half past 1. Oke, pukul 1 lebih setengah jam. Oke, next. It is half past 10. Good. This is the third case. We call it as quarter past when the long hand of watch is pointing 3. Ya, jadi lebih 15 menit atau seperempat jam ya. Quarter past because from the number to another number it's 5. When we add them itu berarti 15 ya. Okay, let's see the example. It is quarter past 8. Jadi jam 8 atau pukul 8 lebih 15 menit. Wow, very easy, right? Okay, next it is quarter past 12. Okay, next it is quarter past 6. Okay, well done. Good. We have another cases. Ada hal yang lain. Nah, biasanya kita sebut dengan a blank pass atau titik-titik pass. Nah, pass ini untuk kata lewat ya atau sudah berlalu berapa menit ya. Misalkan ini menuju kedua berarti lewat 10, so we can say 10 pass atau lewat 10 menit. Pointing, ini kalau keempat berapa nih? 20, berarti 20 pass, lewat 20 menit. Kalau longhand-nya menuju ke angka 1, itu berarti 5 ya. So we can say 5 pass. And then next, nah ini ke angka 5, 5, berarti 25 menit, berarti 25. Next, it is 10, ya, because pointing to 10 past. Berapa nih? 10 past 8. Well done. Okay, next, it is 5 past 4. Good job. And then next, it is 20 past 7. Good job. Amazing. And then next, nah how much nih? We can count it. Ya, kita bisa hitung perlahan. Itu ada 7 menit ya. It's mean it is 7 past 10. Very easy. We have another cases. We have another case. Ya, ada yang lain. Nah, ini quarter to disebutnya. Because 9 is in line with 3. Jadi sejajar dengan 3. Ini sama ya. Tapi kalau quarter to biasanya 15 menit lagi menuju. Nah, jadi to itu menuju. Untuk. Nah, seperti ini nih. It is quarter to 4. Jadi 15 menit lagi menuju waktu atau pukul 4. Okay, good job. It is quarter to 7. 15 menit lagi menuju pukul 7. Good job. It is quarter to 12. Okay, it is quarter to 1 ya. 15 menit lagi menuju 1. Angka 1. Oke, next. Nah, to ini biasanya menuju ya. Tadi seperti yang contoh tadi. Nih, we can say. Jadi yang pertama itu menitnya dulu. Nih, kalau jarum panjangnya menuju angka 10, berapa menit lagi ya menuju ke 12? Because remember, 12 is the center. Jadi dari 10 ke 12, it's mean 10 ya. Berarti 10 to. Oke, 10 menit lagi. Oke, 10 to. Oke, next. Ini dia. Berapa menit lagi di angka 8 ke 12? We can count it. Ya, we can count it. Berarti 20. 22 kalau dari 11. 52 kalau dari 7. 25 2. Okay, let's practice. It is, okay, 5 ya, karena 11 ke 12 kan hanya 5 menit. It is 5 to 4. 4 menit lagi menuju pukul 4. 5 menit lagi menuju pukul 4. Good job. It is, nah, it is 20 to 6. Well done. Okay, next. It is 10 to 11. Good. And yeah. Okay, easy ya. I hope you understand this. Okay, we arrive in what is the difference between AM and PM? Yeah, so we use AM itu when ketika dari pukul midnight ya, dari tengah malam nih jam 12 malam sampai midday atau tengah hari. We can say it as AM. Sedangkan dari tengah hari sampai midnight ya itu disebutnya PM. Jadi, AM itu singkatan dari antemeridium, Latin, dalam bahasa Inggris disebut before noon, sebelum tengah hari. AM started from midnight, ya, dari 00 malam sampai dengan jam 11.59 siang hari. Lagi panas-panasnya. Sedangkan PM itu kependekan dari post meridium, diartikan afternoon atau setelah tengah hari. Okay, so now you can you know ya the difference between AM and also PM. Remember that, okay? So AM from midnight to midday, PM from midday to midnight. Okay, so now let's find the correct clocks. Mana sih jam yang betul yang menunjukkan aktivitas berikut ini? Jenny get up at 7 o'clock. Very easy. Okay, which one is the correct answer? 7 o'clock. It's mean the long hand is pointing to 12. So the answer is B. Right. Good job. Next. Okay, we have another. We brush our teeth at 8:30. Okay, berarti jam 8 lebih 30 menit. Which one is the best clock? Okay, half itu 30 and 8 itu 8. So which one is the best answer? So the answer is A. Good job. And the next, he plays computer games at 12 o'clock. Very easy. 12 and then a clock. Which one is the answer, A or B? Okay, the answer is A. Well done. Okay, we still have another activity. Andrew does homework at 4:15. Quarter it's mean 15 ya, 15 minutes. Lewat pukul 4. Okay, which one is the best answer? So the answer is the answer is B. Good job. Okay, they play soccer at 5:20. 5:20. Okay, pukul 5 lebih 20 menit. Which one is the best answer? Of course A. Next, they have dinner at 6:30. Okay, mereka makan malam pukul jam 6 lebih 30 menit. Which one is the best answer? A or C? C. Good job. And then we have another. She watches TV at 7:45. Dia menonton TV pukul 8 ya, 15 menit lagi menuju pukul 8. Which one is the best? Okay, so the answer is B. Good job. We still have another picture. She listen to music at 9:10. Okay, 10 menit lebih dari jam 9. Which one is the best answer? Can you guess, everyone? So the answer is A. Good job. And I think this is the last. She goes to bed at 10 to 11. 10 to 11. 10 menit menuju pukul 11. Which one is the best answer, everyone? So the answer is B. Good job. And
Students, so that's the explanation about times, yeah, about telling time. We have already known about time, how to telling our friends, our family, and other people about time, yeah. And also we can use quarter, half, and then to, and also past. So from now on, if someone asks your time, yeah, what time is it, you can not only 7:30, but you can say a half past 7. If you still have any question, just let me know on the comment box below, or you also can reach me on email lisna.destriani@gmail.com, and I will definitely answer your email. Oke, dan jangan lupa tugasnya dikerjakan. Tugasnya akan ada permainan. This is a game about the time, and the link I will share on the WhatsApp group. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and also subscribe this video. Yeah, bye bye. Assalamualaikum.